Welcome to our guide on withdrawing money from LSSC to Coinbase. Let's explore these platforms together. First, let's set up your accounts. Head over to both LSSC and Coinbase websites to create your accounts and follow the verification steps. Now, let's link your bank accounts for seamless transactions. Make sure you have your banking information handy. To withdraw funds from your LSSC account, navigate to the withdrawal section and select the amount you wish to transfer. Remember to check the transaction fees. Each platform may have its own charges, which can affect your final amount. Now let's transfer your withdrawn funds to Coinbase. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this step. After the transfer, check your Coinbase account for confirmation. You should see your funds reflected in your balance. If you encounter any common issues, don't worry. Here are some troubleshooting tips to help you resolve them. Always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and monitoring your accounts regularly. And that's a wrap. Follow these steps to successfully transfer your funds and start your crypto journey.